Will AI replace engineers? As much as I would want to be optimistic to say that no, I don't think AI is here to replace engineers, the truth is, I believe that AI eventually will. AI may not replace every engineer, but I believe some engineers might be replaced. And here is why I think so. Now, of course, we have been seeing the evolvement of AIs. AI is becoming more powerful. AI can even be used in your code editor now. In fact, you'd hear people say that AI is not here to replace engineers. AI is here to help engineers work faster, to be more productive, to debug faster, to build things faster. And I totally agree with all of that. The challenge here is that when it comes to companies wanting to save cost, this is the angle from which I believe that some engineers might be replaced. Now, let's say it will take you 5 days to build an e-commerce application. Now, with these AI tools, it will probably take you 2 or 3 days because you can debug your problems faster. You can even get some best practices from these AI tools. Now, let's come to a company perspective. Let's say a company wants to build a feature in 20 days. For this, they need 10 engineers. Now, without AI, it will take these 10 engineers 20 days. But let's say these engineers now use these AI tools to probably take them 10 days to get that thing done. Now, from a company's perspective, it takes these engineers 10 days, right? But the company may feel like, well, the deadline we had in mind is 20 days, and it's nice that this can be done in 10 days, but that also means that with fewer engineers we can get this done in 15 days, which is still a good duration and would also save us some money which we would have used to pay more salaries. This is the angle I'm coming from. Those 10 engineers might become 7 or 6 engineers. 3 or 4 of them might lose their jobs because companies want to save money. They want to get things done faster. They want to push our product faster. But if there are ways in which they can save money without compromising the ideal duration or timeline, they might do it. Let me give you one more example. I think a month ago, one of the organizations I used to write for, they reached out to me and shared some writing opportunities. They didn't reach out to me to write these articles from scratch. Instead, they reached out to me to review and improve articles that AI has already written. So there is a topic idea, the AI has already written the first draft, and I'm here to probably catch the typos, check the facts, and maybe add screenshots and code samples. And because I wasn't doing the whole work from scratch, I was offered a lower pay. So usually they would offer me maybe $100 to $300 for an article, but in this case they were offering me $50. Now let's say this organization needed like 10 writers before. Now they won't need as much as 10 writers. They'll probably just need 5 writers who would not be writing all the articles from scratch but would be reviewing articles. So this is the angle I'm coming from, where I say that AI has the potential of replacing engineers. Not because AI can do a better job than engineers, not because AI doesn't need engineers and they can work on their own. No, AI in an ideal word, so to say, should help us get things done faster, and these are things that companies should be excited about. But the problem is when companies see that, oh, if we can get this done faster with lesser number of employees, why not? Now, my advice, just to wrap up this video, for anyone who may feel scared of AI replacing engineers, I think I'm just going to say 2 things. Number 1, try to evolve as AI evolves. I was somebody who didn't want to try out ChatGPT or any of this AI stuff. Apart from me jumping on this to improve my productivity, I also jumped on it because I want to evolve as these tools evolve so that they don't replace me and I'm like left behind. The second advice is, I would say, explore different opportunities in tech. If AI takes my writing job from me, I can make videos, at least until when AI is able to make videos like this, then hopefully I still have a job. If AI takes videos away from me, I can write code. I'm trying to be as versatile as I possibly can be because it's fun to be versatile, but also so that if AI takes one from me, I still have other things that I can fall back to. That's just really all I have to say. But I'd love to hear your thoughts about AI also. Let me know in the comments. Do you think it will replace engineers? Do you agree with me or do you not? I'd love to see what you have to say.